Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you another trending effect called I Can Hear You on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this effect gives you a big ear on your head. It's great for making videos on how your ears become all active when you hear an interesting topic. So let me show you how to use this effect. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on Discover and search for I Can Hear You. It should appear under effect and look like this. Tap on it and see how others have used this effect. If you don't see this effect in your search results, then it means it's still not available for your country. Check back later as TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone. Once you're ready, tap on Try this effect. This effect will only work if you show your ears to it. So if you swing your head to the side, you'll notice it'll replace your small ears with a big one. Once you're ready, tap the record button and create your TikTok video using this effect. And there you go, that is how to use the trending effect called I Can Hear You. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.